Hi and welcome to our channel. If screen sharing is not working on Zoom, this video will guide you on how to configure the settings properly and provide you with some general troubleshooting steps to solve the screen share on Zoom problem. If you are able to screen share but you encounter a black screen, we'll demonstrate several ways to solve the issue. If you are using Zoom for macOS on a device updated to Apple's Big Sur operating system, as well as leveraging a wired connection for your internet, it is possible you may experience a black screen when attempting to share content with others in a meeting or webinar. While the fix for this issue is coming in the next macOS update by Apple, we recommend leveraging a wireless connection in the meantime. Sign into the Zoom desktop client. Click your profile picture, then click Settings. Click the Share Screen tab. Click Advanced. Check Use TCP connection for screen sharing. On the Windows OS, the black screen during screen sharing could be caused by a graphics card with automatic graphics switching, such as an NVIDIA card. Open the NVIDIA control panel. Click Manage 3D Settings. Click Program Settings under I would like to use the following 3D settings. Find cpthost.x from the Zoom bin directory. Go to the C drive, then access the users directory, locate the folder with your username, and proceed to find the app data folder. Within the app data folder, search for the roaming directory. Inside the roaming directory, locate the Zoom folder, and ultimately open the bin folder. Once in the bin folder, select the file named cpthostx. Click Add Selected Program. After that, under Preferred Graphics Processor, select Integrated Graphics. Click Apply. Try screen sharing again with Zoom. Help us grow our community by subscribing and liking this video. If Zoom screen sharing doesn't work, try these simple fixes to help you out. The disabled screen share feature is the most common reason why everyone in a meeting is unable to share a screen in Zoom. If you are the host of the meeting, check the settings and enable this feature. Launch the meeting. Go to the Controls toolbar and find a Share Screen green icon. Click on the gray upward arrow icon next to it. Select Advanced Sharing Options. Find Who Can Share and choose All Members. If you are a regular member, you can't change the meeting settings. Please ask the host to do this for you. Check that you've enabled this feature for your account. Sign into the Zoom web version account. Go to Settings and open the Meeting tab. Find in Meeting Basic and select Screen Sharing. Switch the toggle to Enable. This action allows the screen sharing feature on your account. If you are a group admin, you can enable it for all its members. Furthermore, navigate through the Settings menu and locate the Who Can Share option. Select All Participants. Next, ensure that All Participants is also selected in the Who Can Start Sharing When Someone Else is Sharing field. Remember to save all the necessary settings. macOS has enhanced privacy settings, due to which users may ask themselves, why can't I share my screen on a Zoom desktop? To change privacy settings on your computer, go to System Preferences, then select Privacy, and make sure that Zoom has permission for screen recording. Another solution would be to update your Zoom app. Sign into the Zoom desktop client. Click your profile picture, then click Check for Updates. If there is a newer version, Zoom will download and install it. If nothing else has worked, reinstall the Zoom app. If you have any questions, please leave the comment below. More information can be found on our blog. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful for you.